Welcome to my Vitamix Propel 510 review. If you're looking for a high-end blender that can handle everything from smooth morning drinks to hot soups, you might want to check out the Vitamix Propel 510, a powerful machine that caught my attention for its versatility and stellar performance. Professional-grade blending power meets user-friendly convenience in this sleek countertop powerhouse. The Propel packs a robust 2-horsepower motor that crushes through ice, frozen fruits, and tough vegetables with ease. You'll appreciate the 3 pre-programmed settings that take the guesswork out of making smoothies, hot soups, and frozen desserts. Just press a button and walk away. The blender does all the work. The 48-ounce container hits the sweet spot for most blending needs. It's large enough for family-sized smoothie batches, but not so huge that it becomes unwieldy or difficult to store. 10 variable speeds give you precise control when you need it, and the pulse feature lets you create perfectly chunky salsas and sauces. Cleanup is a breeze too. Just blend warm water with a drop of soap for 60 seconds. The 5-year warranty provides solid peace of mind for your investment. While it's not the cheapest blender, it's pretty affordable for a Vitamix and remains one of their best sellers for that reason. Plus, its inherent durability and versatility make it worth buying for anyone seeking a high-end blender that won't break the bank. The preset programs take the guesswork out of blending. You get 3 handy automatic settings: smoothies, hot soups, and frozen desserts. Each program runs at precisely the right speed and duration to create perfect results. The smoothie program pulverizes tough ingredients like frozen fruit and ice into silky, smooth drinks. When you're craving something warm, the hot soup setting uses blade friction to heat ingredients while blending them into creamy soups. The frozen dessert mode transforms frozen ingredients into soft serve style treats. These automated programs let you walk away while blending instead of hovering over the controls. Just add your ingredients, select a program, and let the blender do the work. Plus, the machine automatically shuts off when the cycle is complete. The programs work alongside the manual speed controls, giving you the flexibility to blend exactly how you want. You can start with a program and then fine-tune the consistency using the variable speeds. The 2-horsepower motor brings serious muscle to your daily blending needs. Unlike with other blenders that easily get bogged down, you'll notice ultra-smooth results with 0 chunks or bits left behind in your creations. The stainless steel blades spin with remarkable force to tackle tough ingredients like frozen fruit and ice, and 10 variable speeds give you precise control over the texture of your blends. Want chunky salsa? Use a lower speed. Craving silky smoothies? Crank it up high. The durable motor maintains consistent power without overheating, meaning you can blend tough ingredients back to back without waiting for the machine to cool down. Taking a few minutes to clean your blender can feel like a hassle, but the Vitamix Propel 510 makes this task super simple. You can get it clean in under a minute by adding warm water and a drop of dish soap, then running the blender. The self-cleaning feature takes care of most messes in 60 seconds. The 48-ounce container and lid are dishwasher safe for those times when you need a deeper clean. The smooth surfaces and minimal crevices make it easy to wipe down the base and exterior. You won't find food particles getting stuck in hard-to-reach spots. This sleek black blender brings professional-grade power into your kitchen without taking up too much counter space. The 48-ounce container hits a sweet spot. Large enough for family smoothies, but not so big that it becomes hard to store. At 17.5 inches tall, the Propel fits under most kitchen cabinets, and the compact 9-inch by 7.5-inch footprint leaves plenty of counter space for your other appliances. The stainless steel blades and BPA-free container add durability and safety to your blending experience, and you'll appreciate the included mini tamper that helps push ingredients down toward the blades for smoother blends. The 10-speed control panel gives you precise control over texture and consistency. Whether you're making smooth purees or chunky salsas, you can dial in exactly the right speed for your recipe. Now for the pros and cons section of my Vitamix Propel 510 blender review. Starting with the pros, The preset programs make blending a breeze. You can walk away while it perfectly blends your smoothies, soups, and frozen desserts. Plus, the powerful motor transforms tough ingredients into silky, smooth blends. The 48-ounce container hits the sweet spot for capacity. You can make single servings or family-sized batches without taking up too much counter space. Cleanup is super quick. Just add soap and warm water, run the blender, and you're done in under a minute. The container and lid are dishwasher safe too. The 10 variable speeds give you precise control over your blends. You can create everything from chunky salsas to velvety smoothies. The 5-year warranty provides peace of mind for your investment. As for the cons, although relatively affordable for a Vitamix blender, the price tag is still quite steep compared to standard blenders. While the quality justifies the cost, it's a significant investment for most people. The powerful motor produces noticeable noise during operation, but that's to be expected with any decent blender, to be honest. The basic model lacks some advanced features found in pricier Vitamix options, like touchscreen controls or wireless connectivity. High-end blenders can be a tough purchase decision when looking at the price tag, but as I said in my Vitamix Propel 510 review, this blender delivers professional-grade performance that makes it seriously worth considering for your kitchen. The powerful 2-horsepower motor transforms tough ingredients into silky, smooth blends. You'll appreciate the convenience of 3 preset programs that take the guesswork out of making smoothies, hot soups, and frozen desserts. The 48-ounce container hits the sweet spot for both single servings and family-sized portions. Plus, the BPA-free construction and self-cleaning feature add peace of mind for daily use. While the price point is arguably quite steep compared to basic blenders, the 5-year warranty helps protect your investment. For casual home cooks who only make occasional smoothies, a less expensive blender might suffice. But if you're serious about blending and want professional results, the Propel 510 is a solid investment that will serve you well for years.